Hello everyone, so today we will see lesson plan on the topic The Monkey and the Crocodile. This is for class 6th and I have already uploaded lesson plan on English, and if you want to see that, please check it on my channel, and I will give the link in the description box for all the English lesson plan below. And please visit my blog www.nutanco.in. If you want any PDF of lesson plan, you can visit this blog. Now let's see how to make lesson plan. So here, subject, topic, previous knowledge. So this is a Panchtantra story. So students have already know mini Panchtantra stories. So I have written it here for general aim to tell them story on monkey and crocodile to enable students to write and speak. All this we will have to write here. Now let's move on to our introduction part. So here you can see I have added 5 questions. So first question I would ask is, do you like stories book? So student will try to answer that. Second question would be, have you heard any Panchatantra stories before? So students will answer, yes, we have already heard many stories. So third question would be, can you name few Panchatantra story? So students will try to answer that. Have you heard story on friendship of any crocodile and monkey? So the answer could be yes or no, whatever students will answer. Last question would be, do you want to know how they become friends and how they ended their friendship? So student will answer yes, we want to know that, we want to hear that. So we will have to give the statement of aim that student, today I am going to teach you one Panchatantra stories that is based on monkey and crocodile and on their friendship and how they ended up their friendship. So we will have to give our statement like this. Now let's move on to presentation first. So for presentation first, here you can see I have added word meaning also, because obviously if we are teaching to students, then we should try to explain every difficult words to students, and after that we have to ask some question related to that also. So I have added here 4 questions, and this is the answers that students will answer. Why was monkey not completely happy? What did the two friends generally talk about? Like this we will have to ask questions to students, and here is the answers that we will expect from students. And here for blackboard work, once again I have write here word meanings, because we have to write word meanings on blackboard also. Skills also, we can use any teaching aids that we need while teaching. We can take help of that, and we will have to explain it with the help of that teaching aids. And here once again second presentation, so I have write here paragraph, and here the question we have to ask to students: whom did crocodile choose finally? Why was crocodile unwilling to invite his friend home? And here is the answer, and here is once again word meaning. So every time we have to write word meanings on blackboard also, so that it could be very easy for students to understand. Now the rest part of our question is, I have write here, what did the crocodile tell the monkey in the midstream? How did monkey save himself? Like this we will have to ask students question, and here is the answer of the questions that we expect from students. And here is word meaning. Once again, skills portion. Here we will have to take help of teaching aids so that student can understand very easily. It could be either chart or anything. This is recapitulation part. I have added 4 questions here. Who lived on the bank of river? Why was he not completely happy? What did crocodile wife demanded for? What did the crocodile tell the monkey in midstream? So like this we will have to ask questions to students, and this is the answer of all that questions. Now let's move on to last page, application and evaluation. For this I have write fill in the blanks. You can see that Dash was lonely and wanted companion. Crocodile's wife ordered Dash. Finally Crocodile decided to be on side of Dash. At last Dash decided to discontinue friendship. And at last, home assignment. So for perfection of knowledge we will have to give home assignment to the students. Like this we will have to write our lesson plan. And this was my lesson plan. If you like this lesson plan, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.